talk, since this is what we do here at Channel 9, giving you a deep dive into the 9-day forecast. Going to start off right at the bat with it. And here you see that 9-day forecast. Tomorrow, though, a day to prepare. We'll start at 22 in the morning, afternoon high of 34 degrees. And then as we go toward the course of the day, it's going to be kind of cold. Our winds are going to come from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. The high temperature flirting with the freezing point, barely getting there. A sun cloud mix, but no snow, no freezing rain, no sleet on Friday. But here are the two alert days, Saturday and Sunday. 22 to 28 degrees with the wintry mix starting in the afternoon and evening hours on Saturday, continuing overnight, continuing as it changes over to snow, gradually speaking, on Sunday. And then we have to worry about what's left over. Fresh snow on the ground and Arctic air overhead. Look at those temperatures in the morning. Close to zero, if not negative numbers. In the afternoon highs only in the teens. So you know the wind chills are going to be down there between 5 and 10 below zero. And then heading into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, really not much warming at all. Not much melting either, as our morning temperatures are close to single digits. Here you see it. The winter storm watched this out for just about everybody along the I-70 corridor in some fashion or so. And it goes all the way toward Indiana, farther out west as well. Here's a look at First Alert Future Scan. Look at the pink and purple shades. That's going to be the wintry mix of freezing rain and sleet, and eventually the snow will move in. But as we go through the daytime hours on Saturday, that's when you see it starting as a mix, Kansas City and south, pretty much all snow toward St. Joe and farther north. With time, though, that's when it's going to change over to some snow, especially 36 Highway and north. Still a mix for us until Sunday sometime. That's when it should be making that transition to snow, sometimes coming down heavy. Farther down to the south, it's going to be a little sluggish to finally change over, which is why you can see more ice accumulations south of the I-70 corridor. This is now Sunday at 7 in the morning. Then look what happens as we go throughout the daytime hours on Sunday. Most of us in the snow, farther down to the south, more of that icy situation glazing. And then since it's been snow most of the course of this storm system, better chances of the heavier snow will be just north of the Kansas City metro. This is now 6 in the evening, and we'll still see some of that snow hanging around. So it looks like several hours that we have to worry about that. Finally, it lifts up and moves out. So here are the potential snows that we're talking about. If it changes over, say, between 6 and noon, this is the way it's going to look. 6 to 9 inches in the deeper shade of blue, 3 to 6 Kansas City and south of the river, and less than that as you're going down toward Lacine, Clinton, and Butler. And then we have to talk about if it moves faster, then what you're going to notice is the fact that we're not going to see as much necessarily farther south, but more to the north. 9 to 12 inches if it's a quick changeover from the mix to all snow. 6 to 9 north of the river, 3 to 6 south of the river, and 1 to 3 farther down to the south. And then the potential ice anywhere from 1/10 of an inch as you go farther to the north, but heavier where it stays as mostly a mix down over the southern portion of the region. So just to recap for you, Saturday afternoon, cold and dry. Here come those alerts Saturday evening into Saturday night with the widespread icy mix. Then it changes to all snow as early as Sunday morning, and that's when we could see most of the accumulation lasting most of the day on Sunday.